Want to preheat or cool your 2015-2023 Jeep Renegade before getting in? This video shows you how to use the factory key fob for remote start. It's a standard or optional feature on most trims, Latitude, Limited, Trailhawk, but not typically the base Sport. Make sure your Renegade has the feature installed to proceed. First, ensure your Jeep is off in park and all doors are locked. Press the lock button on your key fob once. Then, within 3 seconds, press and hold the remote start button, which is the circular arrow or engine icon, for 2 to 3 seconds. Your engine will start and run for about 15 minutes, indicated by flashing lights. When you successfully remote start your Jeep Renegade, you'll see clear indicators that the system is working. The hazard lights will flash, and the interior lights will also flash to confirm the engine has started. The engine will run for about 15 minutes, and you can extend this to up to 40 minutes by pressing the remote start button again. To stop the engine remotely, simply press the remote start button on your key fob again. Alternatively, unlocking any door with the key fob will also shut the engine off immediately. This gives you control over when the remote start session ends. Remember these important limitations. The remote start system won't activate if your key fob is already inside the vehicle, or if the engine is already running. Always check these conditions before attempting to use the feature to avoid confusion. For remote start to work on your Jeep Renegade, your key fob battery must be functional. If the fob isn't responding, replace the battery. Additionally, ensure the remote start feature is enabled in your Uconnect settings. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then Remote Start on your touchscreen to activate it. The remote start system includes important safety features to prevent unsafe operation. It won't activate if the fuel level is low, helping avoid running out of gas while the vehicle is remote started. The system also prevents starting if the hood is open, ensuring no one is working on the engine when it starts remotely. Additionally, it blocks activation if the vehicle's alarm has been triggered, maintaining security. There are also key limitations to understand. The key fob must be outside the vehicle for the system to work. The engine must already be off and the vehicle in park position. These safeguards ensure safe operation and comply with FCC regulations. If you're experiencing false starts or non-responses, ensure your key fob battery is charged. For connectivity issues, they might be resolved with a dealership diagnostic or app reset. Software updates also enhance reliability. Install available over-the-air updates. Check for recalls related to unintended remote starts and install available OTA updates. Remote start technology is evolving towards smartphone integration. Stellantis has integrated remote start into its My Stellantis app, providing more user-friendly control than traditional key fobs. This feature is standard on 2021 and newer models, with retrofit options available for older vehicles. Looking ahead, future models may include AI-driven predictive starts based on calendar events or location, and voice command integration. For electric Renegade variants, the app optimizes battery usage for eco-friendly preheating. Industry trends show a 15% annual growth in app-based remote start adoption, with full app dominance projected by 2030 as key fobs phase out. Keep your key fob battery fresh to ensure reliable remote starting. A dead battery is a common cause of failed starts. Check for software updates regularly through your vehicle's infotainment system. These updates fix glitches and improve reliability. Consider using the Stellantis app for enhanced control and reliability. It provides smartphone-based remote starting with better connectivity. By following these steps, you can reliably remote start your Jeep Renegade and enjoy a comfortable ride, no matter the weather. Remember, proper maintenance and awareness of safety features are key to optimal operation.